Okay, as you all know, I'm not any kind of a mechanic. I'm considered a part changer at best. I've never tried to mess with the control cables on a push mower before. I don't think they're that difficult, but I don't know nothing about it. So this is my first attempt at a lawnmower, self-propelled lawnmower, should I say. It's a Craftsman M210, got it at Lowe's for like $300 something, like a couple years back. But it's just been sitting in the yard because I got the rider now, so I don't really use it anymore. And I think either the drive section got seized up or the cable got seized. So we're going to find out which one. All right, here we go. I don't know about you guys, but the hardest thing that I find is actually keeping track of all my tools, because every time I do a project I always seem to be missing a socket or something afterwards. So hopefully not this time. If I remember correctly, there's 4 bolts holding this cowl on. There's one here, and the other 2 were underneath, so I'll have to flip it upside down, or sideways, not upside down. Not to drop the bolts like I just did. My yard is overgrown and that stuff will be gone. I do remember, yeah, fuck. I had this thing full of gas. I know it's going to leak. Hopefully I can do this without creating too much turmoil. Might actually have to drop this on the ground. Should be this one here and this one here. Shut this down and put this back up on the lid before this thing leaks all this gas out. You have to peel this back. It's still not letting go, so there's got to be something else on here. More bolts. I don't know if it's that one or if it's lots of bolts. What the freaking hell are they? I know there's a lot of bolts under here, but I don't know which ones come off and which ones don't. was the right one. Okay, so I thought there was only 4. Looks like there's going to be like 8. Just know all this gas is running out. Get a pair of pliers so I can grab those bolts that won't come out. God damn it. Why the fuck ain't this coming out? Find a pair of needle nose. Those channel locks ain't gonna work. Oh yeah, losing all kind of gas on that scenario. That's nice. Those for keeping score, that was 11 bolts. Take this off here so y'all can see what it looks like down here a little bit better. All the teeth look good. Everything's kind of rusty and crusty. It needs to be blown off, but I don't want to mess with that. That feels like it would come right out. So I'm not going to touch that. I'm just here for the cables today. Alright, put you back on the tripod. Now I'm going to try to do this without breaking it, because like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. I got a feeling this is going to break it, but I'm going to try it anyway. Okay. See, I know what I need to do, I just can't figure out how to do it. There we go. See if I can get this new one up in here. There's a lot of slack in this. Yeah, that's not long enough. I'll move it a little bit. I don't know if that'll be enough to actually turn this some bitch on and off, but we got one. Now let's try to get the drive one on. This one goes down the other side to the front. Hell. God dang, it rains and pours, man. Makes me wish I wasn't so fucking stupid. Oh, it came with a whole freaking new one of that thing. I don't even need that one. I already put the other one in, dang at it. See? Came with another one. Well, crap sandwiches. Alright. Scratch that. Reverse it. Unfortunately, now that I put the other new cable on, that cable's like an inch too long now. So whenever you can literally see the give in this thing. So when I pull on that, it doesn't move that. So it's basically trash now. So I'm not even finishing this thing. Okay, I went ahead, put everything back together. This cable was very loose. So I wrapped it around, then I put some tape on it to make it a little tighter, and it seems to be working, so I'm going to put the proof of the pudding. My bad.